Have you ever wanted to host your own TV show? Do you watch KidZone TV every day but haven't seen your favorite bingo theme yet? Do you have a hobby or an interest you really want to share, but you don't know how? Introducing the KZTV Creator Kit.
With the KZTV Creator Kit, you can create your own bingo or your own original show. Your show can be whatever you want. Our KZTV intern Lark really likes Disney, so his show is about Disney movies, but yours could be about gaming, crafting, or sharing another interest.
You can also make your own bingo board. Pick 22 pictures, then we handle the rest. Your KZTV Creator Kit includes a blank bingo board or blank show flyer and a KZTV producer, all for $0.00. To get your KZTV Creator Kit, just let anyone in the purple pants know that you're interested.
But wait, there's more. If you create your own show, you can host it, either here in the studio or up in your room.
Here are some reviews from real KZTV Creator Kit users.
Creating my own KZTV shows has unlocked a new creative side in me. Coming up with different ideas to meet the needs of a large pediatric population has allowed my imagination to flourish and find new ways to connect with patients and families.
I just love my KZTV Creator Kit because when creating my own show, the producers helped all of my amazing ideas. I wanted to produce a show based off of laughter because I love laughing. So I just wanted to spread laughter to everyone in the hospital because laughter is the best medicine. So that's how I created Gabby's Goofy Challenges.
I love my KZTV Creator Kit because I get to work with the amazing producer team to help bring my artistic visions to life. I love getting to bridge my creative side with the team's creative side. I enjoy learning how to use apps like CapCut and Procreate for digital expressive art, and always look forward to seeing how they incorporate special visuals into Art for the Soul and other shows.
Get yours today!
To get your kit, talk to a staff member in the purple pants. To get your kit, talk to a staff member in the purple pants. To get your kit, talk to a staff member in the purple pants. With the acquisition of a KZTV Creator Kit, you are responsible for the creation of your bingo board and or show, and for taking care of your KZTV producer, giving them 3 meals a day and somewhere nice to sleep. This is a joke. You do not have to take care of a KZTV producer.